The name varies from country to country and place to place. Some know it as coconut buns, rock buns, but we can all agree on one thing. It's super delicious and we're going to make some today. To my sifted flour, I'm going in with my cold butter and using my fingertips, I'm massaging in that butter until it becomes the consistency of that of breadcrumbs. Now I'm adding in my baking powder, my salt, and my spices, as well as my sugar, my raisins, and if you have other fruits and cherries that you would like to put in there, feel free to do so. I'm using my fingertips once more to massage everything inside there, combine everything, and now we're going in with my grated coconut. Next, I'm adding in some essence. I'm using both vanilla and mixed essence to achieve the taste that I desire. And using my hands once again, we're going to combine everything. You would notice that I did not use any additional water or milk to combine this dough. However, if you wish, you can put a bit of milk or water in there. Now using a spoon and a spatula, I'm using the spoon to dip and the spatula to help remove the dough from on the spoon. We're going to place them on a pan that has been lined or greased. And now we're going to set up our oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to place these in for 25 to 30 minutes. Now that is out of the oven, I'm using a water and sugar glaze to top them. Or you can just sprinkle some sugar on top of there while it's still hot. And that's it. That is how simple it is to make these delicious rock buns or coconut buns. Hope you enjoy. God bless.